I know why the caged bird sings. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends, and dips his wing in the orange sunrays, and dares to claim the sky. But a bird that stucks down his narrow cage can seldom see through his bars of rage. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opened his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tone is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds off through the siding trees. The free bird thinks of another breeze, and the trade winds off through the siding trees, and the fat worms waiting on a downright lawn, and he names the sky his own. But a caged bird stands on a grave of dreams, his shadow shuts on a nightmare scream. His wings are clipped and his feet are tied, so he opens his throat to sing. The caged bird sings with a fearful thrill of things unknown but longed for still, and his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.
Hello, it's the Pizza Party Podcast. I'm Pantix Aquatic. I'm Ken. I'm Nolan. I'm Jean. Yeah, yo. Muy perturbadoras. Puedo verte, Pepe. Ve cómo lo ataco.